Christine Bussière of the BGM Real Estate team. Welcome to 6151 La Rivière in Chapel Hill in Orleans. Property completely renovated to the best of date. Please come in, you'll enjoy it. This property was built in the early 1990s by Minto, one of our local builder, and renovated completely in the late 2010, early 2012. The kitchen, as you can see, is the focus of the back of the house. This entertainment piece is just gorgeous. The second floor features 4 bedrooms. 3 of them have the same hardwood floor as you found on the main floor. Both bathrooms are renovated, the main and the ensuite bathroom.